Welcome to the How to series of infraon secura. Today, we will demonstrate how to add devices based on the agent part 2 in infraon secura. Navigate to the left menu and hover over to the discovery and select agents. You can check the hostname of the Windows device where the agent is installed in agent name column. You can check the status column for the status of the device. Now the state shows stopped. It will take some time to get in the running state. In the column Agent to Device, you can check whether the agent is installed in the device end. You can also click on Add as Device if it is not added. Now it is in running state. Navigate to the left menu and select Device View. Check for the device which you have installed the Secura agent with its hostname. Click on the Others icon in front of the hostname. Click on Authorization Profile to add a profile. Enter the profile name. Enter the profile description. Select the status of the profile. Select the authentication profile. This is the device ID. Select the device group. Select the users. Select the user group. Click on SSH and Telnet tab if the device is configured with it. Enter all the details required. Click on the RDP and VNC tab. We will click on VNC for the agent-based discovery. Enable the screen recording.